again! Our shop just has released a new design named Polar Bear Hugging Pop-Up Card. When this card opens, the mama bear leans down and embraces her cub. Making this card is so easy. The technique is similar to the cat with birthday cake pop-up card. I hope this inspires you to create your own stunning pop-up card. Are you ready to see how to make it? Okay, let's get started. The step-by-step instruction is included in the template file. You can find the link to download this template in the description below. I hope you have more idea for your card from this video. Thank you for watching. See you later.